Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to say about the differences between white rice and brown rice. Also, you will know which is a healthier option and why. There are different types of rices like red rice, white rice, black rice, brown rice, and many more. On a whole, we can classify them as whole grains and polished ones. The major used ones are brown rice and white rice. So, let's see about them. For this, first let us see the structure of rice grain. From paddy, we get a whole grain which is similar to the one as shown in the picture. The outer layer is husk which is inedible and is present to protect the grain. The next layer is bran which is rich in nutrients. The last layer is endosperm which is also called as white rice. Paddy undergoes a process called milling in which the husk gets removed and we get brown rice. After that, the grain undergoes 2 to 3 stages of polishing in which the next bran and germ layers get removed and as a result we get completely polished white rice. The bran which is removed is the main part of the grain which contains about 80% of its nutrients. Let's have a look on the nutrients present in the bran. Bran is rich in dietary fiber containing about 25 grams in 1 cup of cooked rice. It contains B vitamins and is also rich in minerals and antioxidants which are very essential for our body. Let us see the advantages of fiber. Having fiber-rich foods keeps you fuller for longer time. They digest slowly and you don't end up consuming alternative foods. This is the reason why it promotes weight loss. By having brown rice, the starch gets converted into glucose slowly. As a result, it doesn't fluctuate sugar levels rapidly by consuming it. It is a low glycemic index food. Glycemic index refers to how quickly and how much a food rises a person's blood sugar level after eating. It is highly recommended for diabetic patients to maintain their blood sugar levels. Fiber also helps to move waste through digestive tracts. Now, let's see about vitamins. Brown rice contains B vitamins like B1, B3, B6 and B9. Consuming it on a regular basis will not make us B vitamin deficient as 4 out of 7 B vitamins are present in it. It is extremely rich in a mineral called manganese providing about 88% of RDI, which is required daily intake. Manganese is essential for blood sugar regulation, bone development, and nerve function. In addition to manganese, minerals like magnesium, selenium, and phosphorus are present in it, which are important for our body. It also contains antioxidants which are very useful for preventing premature aging. They help in improving heart health and also prevent certain types of cancer. These antioxidants also act as anti-nutrients because of conversion of phytic acid present in them into phytates which reduces mineral absorption. To overcome this, soak the rice before cooking for about 10 to 12 hours and drain the water to remove phytic acid which improves mineral absorption. When it comes to white rice, as the bran and germ layers are removed, it loses its fiber and most of the nutrients. It mainly contains carbs with little amount of nutrients. This is the reason we end up consuming more amount of white rice as carbs get digested easily and also more amount of rice is required compared to brown rice to fill our stomach. I hope you understood the main differences and advantages of brown rice over white rice. Now it's your turn to decide which one to consume on a regular basis. If you are someone who want to change but find it very difficult to change to brown rice, there is another type of rice called single polished rice, in which only one stage of polishing happens and there are still some nutrients and also fiber content present in it. Also, you can start slowly from twice a week and gradually increase to 4 to 5 days a week. and the rest 2 days you can have food of your choice. In this way, you will eat for health without completely compromising on your taste buds. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. To watch more videos that we publish on our channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our new video updates. Thank you so much.